Alright, so we finally made some progress on this thing. Got the mountain redone. Starting to get some of the foliage on there. The rock is, or the sand I mean, is looking okay. Got the substrate kind of glued in there. The engine struggles a little bit to get all the way around. It's stuck on something. Let's see, the wheels are not on. Yeah, I'm making a video. Do you want to come turn the train on?
Yeah.
Yeah, it goes a little bit slow. It doesn't seem to have a whole lot of power. Let's see if we can make it through the tunnel.
I want to come here and see the train.
Yeah, come check it out. Oh, come on, train, you can make it. Oh, didn't make it. I think his wheels got a little bit off the track. I think there's a bad spot in there where his wheels jump off the track. Let me take a look. Can you scoot back? Let's see, those wheels look alright. Those wheels look alright. All the wheels look alright. Can you go turn it on and back? Oh, is he gonna go? Does he need a little push? You just need a little push. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Yeah, he's got some wheels off the truck.
Yeah.
Can you turn him off for a minute?
Yeah.
A little more, straight. There you go, good job, T-Bump. Alright, whoa!
I tipped over.
You tipped over. Okay, I think he's ready. You can go turn him back on.
Okay.
Let's see if he's ready to go.
Okay.
Here he comes again. Do you think he'll make it?
Yeah. He made it, Dad.
Yeah, he did make it. Those trains get off the track over there somewhere. I think there's a piece of track that is too bumpy. But if we give them a little push, I'll bet they'll get back on track. Nope. Oh, we're gonna crash. Look at this big crash.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Who did that?
That was a big crash. Alright, I'm gonna take these off.
Why?
Just so he can go around by himself for a minute. Let's see if he goes faster when he doesn't have to pull that heavy load. Alright, you can turn him on. Oh no! Crash!
Turn him off. Dad has to put the wheels back in.
That was a big crash. Whoa, he goes super fast now. Oh, wait, hold on. I need to get his buddy the coal car
Dad,
all ready.
Dad, what about these cars?
Yeah, we gotta put them on too. Alright, well, I'm gonna send this to Grandpa for him to see. So, can you say bye to Grandpa?
Bye, Grandpa.
What do you think? Did we do a good job on the train set?
Yeah?
Alright. Alright, see you later.
Bye.